In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free website traffic to any website you want where you can post ads daily for anything, for affiliate links, for e-commerce stores, for your website, for your blog, anything you want to get a link to and you want to get traffic to, you can use this site over and over again as much as you want. So what you need to do is you need to go to viralads365.com. And then what you're going to do is you're going to enter your name and your email. Once you get that entered, just click on the button. And it's going to take you to the site where you can post as many ads as you want every day. So all you need to do is you need to go down here, click on create your free ad, enter the information, put your link in here, select your category, and then the next thing you need to do is you need to enter your login details. And then here you have the option to upgrade. This isn't necessary, but if you want to have your ad stand out, you can add larger text, you can add colors, you can actually add an image, and then you can actually make it to where it automatically renews, so you don't have to keep coming in here and resubmitting your ads over and over again. And then there's an option to keep your ad in the featured position. So select the upgrades you want. If you don't want any upgrades, just scroll all the way to the bottom. So you're going to enter the CAPTCHA here, just answer the question and click on Submit Ad. And once you do that, that's it. Check your email. Make sure you enter a valid email. I just entered test email there to show you how it works, but make sure you enter a valid email. And then you're going to check for the confirmation link. You're going to click it and your ad will be activated. That's all there is to it. Go to viralads365.com to get free traffic daily. Hope this helps and see you in the next video. Thanks.